why NLU students have an advantage or disadvantage. We are saying they have a disadvantage in judiciary exams, and how to overcome it. That also we are saying. Okay. NLU students in NLUs, they are trained to read and analyze content and focus a lot on criticism, open-ended analysis. Okay, on a lot of theory also. They have the freedom to perform this. In judiciary, this doesn't work. You can't just write any critique. You have to be comprehensive, cover every important part and to the point. But you can't go on tangents, which we have a lot of training in NLUs to do. So we have to stop that approach. Focus on in NLUs is on reading statute and understanding leading case laws by going through the cases. But they are not testing on retention. How well do you retain hundreds of cases, or how accurately do you know the judgment or the ratio of all those hundreds of cases? That's not the focus. So what happens is, if you're using that method, it is not going to be counterproductive to what is needed for judiciary. Like what happens in NLU, you write lots of projects, research papers, you write lots of moot court memorials, right? This doesn't train you for answer writing. You're not looking at comprehensiveness and accuracy. You're looking at other arguments. So this, what judiciary needs is a different kind of writing. While preparing for judiciary, so how does it help? You have to read one source 10 times. That's much better if you do that and master it than reading 10 different sources, okay, on the same topic and not remembering anything. Okay, and not knowing that, okay, if I am asked a question on this topic, okay, on presidential pardon, what am I exactly going to write? If I don't plan it before, it's not going to work. Okay, so if I need to read only one source and I need to read again and again and again, that also is better. In certain colleges like Aligarh Muslim University, Jamia Millia, here it's very interesting. Okay, even during college exams, their focus is on writing exams in a way like you write in judiciary. Okay, that is very helpful for the students who want to appear there. Okay, and now just one little rider. This is a generalization to an extent. We understand that some teachers in NLUs may teach differently. Okay, so no offense meant at any NLU, okay, or at any teacher, but just giving you a flavor of things.